Hey there, beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video in collaboration with Afro where I'll be reviewing their organic hair care products. I will be diving into the shampoo bar and the conditioner bar and sharing my thoughts and experiences on these products. Let's get started. Before I shampoo my hair, I am going to drench my hair in water. To shampoo my hair, I'm going to be using the Mousse shampoo bar, which is specially crafted for all hair types and is meant to provide a gentle yet effective cleansing experience. Let's see what it can do. I am going to lather the shampoo bar all over my head, making sure that every section is covered. Then I am going to massage my scalp, removing dirt. I'm also going to be using my shampoo brush just to make sure that my scalp is thoroughly cleansed. I am then going to rinse out that shampoo under the water, making sure that I clean my hair from top to bottom. What I loved about this shampoo bar is that it is very cleansing. As you can see, it foams very well. So I just feel like my hair felt clean, and also I was removing a lot of product buildup. I hadn't detangled my hair before jumping into the shower to shampoo my hair, so I was happily surprised that my hair wasn't a stripped, tangled mess by using this shampoo. Because of its natural oils, it felt soft, smooth, and also healthy. Now let's move on to this conditioner bar that I absolutely loved. It's the bittersweet and it has lime and cedarwood. It is especially crafted for dry hair, so it will have your hair feeling soft and moisturized. So let's get it to the test. I am going to massage it onto my hair in sections. Firstly, I am going to detangle using my hands, and then I am going to go in with my detangling brush. I must say, the bittersweet conditioner bar exceeded my expectation. It transformed my hair and made it incredibly soft and manageable, especially knowing that I didn't detangle my hair before shampooing it. So this was game changing for my hair. I'm also going to twist up every section just to make it easy for me when I am styling my hair. I am going to rinse out the conditioner while I'm still in the shower. It's preferable that you use it under running water. So I am going to rinse that all out. It's so easy to rinse out and it's not heavy on the hair at all. My hair felt so silky and so smooth. I loved that creamy lather that I had while in the shower. It really cut my wash day a lot. Like, this whole wash day routine was 45 minutes. So now my hair is dry. I am going to see the final results. I am just undoing my hair, and as I am undoing it in these braids, my hair feels so smooth. It's not frizzy and it's also not tangled. It's very silky and very conditioned. So I was excited about this. And going through the styling test, my hair felt very strong when I was combing through it. It was easily combable because the hair is very detangled. While I was using the conditioner bar, it's very soft, it's not frizzy, it doesn't have any knots. So it was good to see this because it was very surprising. I didn't expect that from this product. Like, it really exceeded my expectations. My hair looks shiny, as you can see, and as shiny as it is, It also felt very good. The movement was good. It was fluffy and soft. I couldn't keep my hands out of my hair. So guys, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more hair content, and as always, stay beautiful on the inside. I will leave a link of these products in the description below so that you can also try them out yourself. I am absolutely sure that you will love them.